We are going to consider algebra, how to express a given fraction as a single fraction in its simplest form or the most simplified form. So let's say we've been given 1 divided by x minus 2 plus 4 divided by, let's say, 4 minus x. You want to make this as a single fraction in its simplest form. So what we are going to do is we are going to get this number which is on top, or multiply by the number that is down the other fraction, so that would be 1 multiplied by 4 minus x, and then we're going to get this number which is on top including the sign, right? So that is a positive 4, or multiply with what is down the other fraction, so that is x minus 2, and then we're going to divide everything. So we're going to now multiply these two denominators that we're able to see, and so that is going to be x minus 2 and then 4 minus x, like that. So from here, if we multiply 1 with what is inside, we are going to get 4 minus x, and then positive. We multiply 4 with what is inside there, we are going to have what? We are going to have 4x minus 8. So that is going to be it. And then in the denominator, we'll still have x minus 2 and then 4 minus x. So the next thing now on top, we are going to make a simplification. So we're going to add like terms. So what we are able to see on both sides, what we are able to see that has got the same term, we are going to add them. So we can see on top we have got 4 and we have got negative 8. So 4 minus 8, that is going to give us a negative 4, right? And then we also have negative x plus 4x. So negative x plus 4x is the same as 4x minus x, which is positive 3x. And then in the denominator, we have got x minus 2, then 4 minus x. So this is the simplified form of this question, and so that is how you get to express it in its simplest form, like that. So we have made it as a single fraction. Let's say we have got another question, 2 divided by 3x minus 2, then we have got minus 3 divided by 4x plus 5. You want to make this as a single fraction. How can you do it? So again, you are going to get what is on top of the first fraction, that is 2. You are going to multiply with what is down the other fraction, that is a 4x plus 5. And then you are going to get the 3 with the sign, right? So that is negative 3. And then you are going to multiply with what is down the other fraction, that is the 3x minus 2. And then down, you are going to multiply those two things you can see in the denominator. So that is 3x minus 2 and then 4x plus 5. So we are going to multiply 2 times 4x and 2 times 5. So 2 times 4x, that is going to give us 8x. Then 2 times 5, that is going to give us 10. Then negative 3 times the 3x, that is going to be negative 9x. And negative 3 times negative 2, that is positive 6. And then in the denominator, we still have the same thing, that is 3x minus 2, then 4x plus 5. So we are now going to add like terms from here. So we are going to have 8x minus 9x, that is going to give you a negative x. And then 10 plus 6, that is going to give us a 16. And then in the denominator, we still have 3x minus 2 and then 4x plus 5. So basically, this is the procedure that we get to use when you are merging as a single fraction. So there are some cases that you are going to be given that you have to simplify further, or you have to divide. Alright, so let's say, for example, at the end, if we add m, let's say after working out the equation, since I don't have one which I've made like that, after simplifying the last stage, let's say you found x squared minus let's say minus 4 and then down, let's say you found x minus 2 and then x plus 5. So if this is the last thing that you did, okay, to be able to simplify to give the answer in the simplest form, this is the difference of two squares, so we are going to factorize it out. So we're going to have x, you know that x squared minus 4 can also be written as x squared minus 2 squared. So we can write this as x minus 2 and then x plus 2. In the denominator you have x minus 2 and then x plus 5. So in a case like this one, this and this can cancel, meaning that the final answer is going to be x plus 2 divided by x plus 5. So just make sure that you get to simplify and express it in the simplest form.